Introducing the SL8050 foam generator for cleaning hoods, your reliable solution for maintaining spotless kitchen ventilation systems in commercial and industrial kitchens. Designed to work seamlessly with the SL8001 cleaning machine, the SL8050 combines foam application, brush cleaning, and spray technology for superior performance. Key features make it stand out. Efficient foam coverage. The SL8050 delivers rich foam that adheres to duct walls, prolonging contact time for effective grease breakdown. Powerful grease dissolution. Penetrating deep into grease layers, it dissolves buildup, ensuring your kitchen ducts are left clean and hygienic. Cost-effective and eco-friendly. A single bottle of cleaning agent generates ample foam, reducing chemical usage and costs while minimizing environmental impact. Continuous and stable operation. With a 40-liter tank and automatic pressure regulation, the system ensures uninterrupted performance, even for demanding cleaning tasks. Compact and portable design, the SL8050's lightweight, integrated design makes it easy to transport and operate across various cleaning scenarios.